Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my Go Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make amazing steak from a shoulder roast. Let's go! So I am at Winn-Dixie and they have this boneless beef shoulder roast for $3.99 a pound. It's normally $25.30. Today it's going to be $11.89 and I am going to turn this into steak. So let's go buy it and I will show you how to do it. I'm back home with my shoulder boneless roast. Now let me show you how to make steak with this. I'm going to start by cutting the roast in half. You want to make sure you have a really sharp knife. Cutting some of the fat off, not all of it because you want some for seasoning. And now we're going to slice it into steaks. This is going to be a nice boneless steak. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steaks for $11 and I think it was 83 cents plus tax. Wow, that is amazing. Now let's cook up a couple of these steaks on the indoor grill. All right, I'm going to grill 3 steaks on my smokeless indoor grill. I've already rinsed them and patted them dry. Now I'm going to put on my Weber Montana steak seasoning. My grill is already preheated at 425. Now I'm going to spray olive oil on my grill pad. Now I'm going to set a timer for 4 minutes and 25 seconds. The timer just went off, so we're going to flip the steak. Now I'm going to set a timer for 3 minutes and 25 seconds. You can cook it as long as you like, if you like it a little less done or you want it more done. But we like ours medium. Our timer's gone off. Let's check our steak. Smells amazing. Okay, this one maybe is a little thicker. It's still a little bloody. My husband would probably like it. It's pink on the inside. I'm going to put them back on for just another minute. I like them pink on the inside, but I don't like blood. It's been another minute, so we're going to take these steaks off, turn that power off. Going to do a little taste test. That is so good. You cannot beat this amazing tasting steak, and 6 for like 12 bucks, under 12 bucks. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you want to know every time a new video is coming out, hit the bell. God bless. Bye. Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.